Hi darlings, I am back. Look at me, I'm back so soon. Aren't you proud of me? I'm proud of me. I will have, fingers crossed, and I really shouldn't say it out loud because when I say it out loud then something always happens, but I will have three heels videos for you happening. Let's see. This is the first one. Okay. What I have here is a reused box, apparently. This is my first time buying secondhand pleasers. I'm going to tell you all about it. But if you're new here, I'm Sid. YouTube is my play space where I refuse to niche down. And today we're talking about shoes. So I will talk about these, unbox them, try them on, and that's it. We'll see what happens. Okay, so here's the story on these. I do not usually buy secondhand shoes like at all. I used to because I love thrifting. I love like secondhand. That's why I sell things and I buy other people's things. But I stopped doing shoes because I just felt like, you know, that whole like walk a mile in someone else's shoes thing, like energetically, I do think that there's something to that. Like if you're wearing somebody's shoes that they've already like walked a few miles in, you don't know what kind of energy is in there. So I'm hoping that these are Gucci. These are pleaser heels, and they are, I don't want to say they're limited edition because I don't think that they are. Actually, let me do it this way. I don't think they're limited edition, but I do know that they don't sell these anymore. So the woman, I'm assuming it's a woman, who was selling them, like she did give me a fair price for what I thought I could tell in the pictures. Like it's so hard when you have pictures, like is this gonna be what it's supposed to be, you know? Oh my gosh. Okay, and the other thing about these is the sizing might not be great. I don't usually buy closed toe pleaser heels. I usually buy open toe because I'm a half size. So they don't sell half sizes. So if you are like an 8.5 like I am, I usually buy an 8, but it's open toe so my toe can out just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But these are closed toe. They're gorgeous. You're gonna be so surprised to see what they are. Like imagine in your head what you think I'm about to pull out of this box. You're not gonna guess it. You're just not. Unless I put a picture in the little video slide screen, like, which I probably will. Okay. They're also like a little bit damaged. I know. What am I doing? I just really wanted to have them, okay? And don't I look like a beautiful princess that should have whatever she wants to have? Yes, say yes. These are the Union Jack pleaser heels. I think these are like 8 or 9 inch with a chunky heel. Yes, there is a little bit of damage in the front. That's okay. We think they're a size 9. She told me she thinks they're a size 9 and that she didn't see it printed anywhere on the inside, which is a little odd because it should be printed on the inside. The insides are very clean. And even the bottoms are clean. Like it looks like somebody maybe just like wore them for Halloween and then it sat in their closet for a while. That's what I think. And this, like in the front, I can fix that. Like I'm gonna have actually another video where I show you how to fix scuffs and stuff because I have I have these sitting here because they're so damaged and I was like, I can fix that. So that is like the next video that I'm gonna do in the next couple of days. But oh, okay, there's a little bit of glue happening. Why is there glue happening? Oh boy. I don't know if you can see that. There's definitely a little bit of glue or something. Why would somebody glue that? What's wrong with them? I'm like, did the bottoms come off? Because I'm like, the bottoms are pretty clean. Okay. Zipper works on both, so that's good. I'm just looking. The size is usually printed near the zipper, like here or here, but that is something that comes off. You can see the insides, like the label is still there. Okay, I got my phone out because I wanted to see like the inside, And honestly, oh, that's really bright, sorry. Honestly, like, they look good. They look good on the inside. So unless somebody did like a major repair on these, which could have happened, honestly, or they've just like sat long enough that things got weird. Okay, and then the other thing is I just checked both of them and I'm not seeing a size. So that means we're gonna try these on. Oh my God, look at them. It's so giving ginger spice, which like I am 2 seconds away from like dyeing my hair ginger spice orange, red. I do miss my red hair. I was trying to work this blonde thing for a while, but the way that it's grown out, like I'm just like, yeah, I think maybe this is just like, literally they just sat. The leather on Nikes, if you let your Nikes just sit and you don't wear them, it actually turns into this like toothpaste that you can like wipe off. It's so weird, but it has to do with literally with it not being used. So I'm wondering if that's like the glue thing that I'm seeing, because like there's just like, there is nothing on the inside here unless somebody just like wore it for Halloween, like I said, and you know, a couple of nights or maybe something, and then that was it. They definitely didn't dance in them, and that is what we're gonna do. So I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped. Let's try them on. I don't really know how I'm gonna show you me trying them on. Once again, I'm in a interesting space. So let's see if I can tilt this down so you can see what's going on. Hi, we're down here now. If you see the corner of this cute little box right here, this is my other shoe video that I have. So that's this video, and the pink one where I show you how to fix them, which I'll also probably show you how to fix these. Fingers crossed it goes well. So, okay, let's put them on. I'm in my cute set today. Now I'm assuming these are a 9, so when I do dance in these, or if I'm just wearing them, I will be wearing socks. So I have socks on today. All right. Yes. Oh, hold on. No. Oh, they're not a 9. There's no way these are a 9. There's no way these are a 9. Ugh. That sucks. But I love him. But Daddy, I love him. They're really tight. Maybe if I take the sock off. But look. Come on. Tell me I don't look amazing in these. So maybe we can't wear them all night, but maybe we can dance in them for like one number and then change. Or maybe we could just walk around in them. You know, like these could be like some of the most expensive walking around shoes I've ever bought. There was another seller who was selling these. Yeah, there's no way. Another seller was selling these for around the same price, but they were an 8. And I just feel like if I stand up right now, these are maybe even a 7.5. This is crazy. I really am an 8.5, but sometimes I can wear an 8. When I went vegan, my feet shrunk. Okay, let's stand up. Now, hear me out, okay? Just hear me out. There's this swimsuit that matches these so good, and I just feel like that swimsuit plus these shoes, and then, you know, obviously getting my hair fixed, they would just make me happy. And so I'm gonna put that swimsuit on my throne wish list, okay? And do with that what you will. But I'm just saying, like, look at it. Look at that swimsuit and tell me it wouldn't go perfect with these, and that I wouldn't look amazing in that swimsuit and these shoes. I'm like True Religion by Pleaser. Okay, so I'm a little disappointed, if I'm honest. I have no idea what size these are. Like, they feel tight. Maybe I should take my socks off. Maybe I'll try to stretch them out a little. They don't feel like stretched at all. Of course I'm gonna keep them. Like, I don't think I can even return it because they're secondhand. I still think with that swimsuit, like, fierce. I would look fierce. All right, fine. We'll try it without a sock. I took my sock off. I really need a pedicure. Don't overlook at my toenails. But we will get these on. Okay. There's more space. I will say that. There's more space. Now we're gonna stand up and we're gonna try it. It's a little better without the sock, but honestly, they're just so much fun and I really wanted them. So of course I'm gonna keep them and have a good time. I really wanna write this girl and be like, babe, I'm sorry, but you might not be a 9. Because she was like, I'm a perfect 9. They're gonna fit anyone who's a 9. I think even without the sock, like, I think they might be an 8. And like I said, I'm gonna make it work because I do still really like them. And it's giving me everything for my like Spice Girl dreams. I always wanted to be a Spice Girl. And so not only can I be a Spice Girl for Halloween if I feel like it, but I can be a Spice Girl any day that I put these on with that swimsuit and stomp around in them. I just need to fix the front and that'd be easy. Like even the very front is so clean. There's like nothing here. I'm like, whoever had them, like they weren't dancing. Yeah, they're solid. I mean, do I wish that they fit a little better? Yes. So you know what I'm gonna do? Depending on when I post this, I'm gonna put like just a little picture of myself dressed up and wearing these so that we all know that I'm happy and that I kept them. I don't think I can return them anyway, but yes. Mama like. These really are iconic. Like you cannot find these anywhere. Not on their website, not in another store. And when they were selling them, they were like twice the price that I paid. So I'm a little sad, but I'm still like very happy to have them. And as soon as I fix them up and find the right socks, maybe I just have the wrong socks. It's gonna be fine. So that's it, you guys. That was very quick. I just wanted to open these because they're brand new, and then I'll put a picture up of me like wearing them, or maybe I'll do a short. Have you seen my shorts? Because I've been making shorts, you know, here and there. Just other updates for you. I also have my Instagram page back, so follow me on Instagram, and I'm, you know, posting more, so check it out. Okay, I also got kicked off of Playboy, so if you didn't see that, you can see that video too. Okay, that's all I've got. Thank you for watching. Thanks.